The medical device industry is facing a series of challenges in the near term. First of all, there are cybersecurity threats that can impact the operation of devices and impact the health of patients. There's also many regulatory changes, not only in the US, but also in the European Union and countries abroad. Also, we have challenges in terms of the resilience of the supply chain. It's very important that the medical device manufacturers have a strong, robust supply chain in place so that patients have access without disruption to care. The European Union back in 2017 approved a significant change in the regulation for medical device and diagnostics. This new regulation, known as EU MDR, or European Union Medical Device Regulation, it is a challenge for the industry to implement in order to continue selling products in the European Union. The new requirements are significant and bring about a lot of pressure in any medical device organization to prepare the technical document submissions,